Many miles away in Dayton, Ohio, this American couple are waiting for their British relatives to arrive.
I made some cucumber sandwiches and some scones. What do British people like to drink?
Tea will be fine, I'm sure. With cold milk.
Oh. I am nervous. I just want everything to be right for them.
I know they're rather proper, but he's just my cousin, honey. He'll be fine.
Okay. Oh.
Ah, welcome.
Hello.
Gerald.
Hello,
Good to
cousin.
see you.
Seen you know.
Of course, yes. Welcome.
Little Harvey.
Harvey. Oh, my goodness. Look at how thick you've got. Please, come in. Set your luggage anywhere. Kelly's in the kitchen making some tea.
Tea, wonderful.
It's a lovely house you have here.
Yes,
Thank you.
beautiful.
Sure, it doesn't compare to your stately home, but we like it.
Oh, it's so nice to finally meet you.
Hello.
Hello. Hi, Harvey. What can I get everyone?
I'll begin with a sandwich, please.
Yes.
Same for me, please. Thank you. Are you going to have anything, Harvey?
Bitty.
You had bitter and plain, darling.
Want bitty?
Are you absolutely sure you don't mind us staying for the whole week?
Oh, don't be silly. It'll be a pleasure having you here.
Bitty.
Maybe later.
Want bitty now?
Come on, Harvey. You've had quite enough bitty for one day.
Want bitty?
Oh, all right then. So, what do you recommend we do while we're here?
The art museum is popular.
Hope they don't have too much of that modern art.
Or a national
Park.
park. Maybe more your thing.
Ow! Oh, you're biting me.
Oh, sorry, Mummy.
Well, there's so much to see and do. We'd better make a proper list, hadn't we, Gerald?
Oh, yes, dear. Make a list, dear.
No. That's enough now, Harvey.
Want more bitty?
Well, I'm sorry. I've got nothing left.
Want more bitty? Bitty.
Do you mind?